Hi, I'm Rashmi. Today I'm making popcorn, but it's like spicy popcorn. I make it on the stove. So my pan is already heat up. For that, I have 1/4 cup the corn, raw corn, turmeric, salt, and then red chili and oil. That's it. So the pan is already heat up. I put 3 tablespoon oil. I add in this oil the 1/4 cup raw popcorn, raw corn. Okay. So 1 teaspoon turmeric, use it, and half tablespoon salt if you make more, and then same amount of the, or maybe half of them, I put the red chili. That's optional. If you like, you can add it. Yeah. See the proportion. Don't put too much corn because we need room for that. So after 3 minutes is pop up and then full with the pan. Okay, after 3 minutes. If you heard this, the popcorn is pop up. See the noise, and it's filled with pan now. It take like 2 more minutes. So still it's make some noises, but I think it's done now. You want to see that? Full, the pan is pop up. Still it's pop up. So I turn off the gas, move from the gas, otherwise it's going burn because it's already hot. And I have to put this one here, so if you have kids birthday party, you can serve like this way. And so nice healthy turmeric popcorn, and I love it. So yummy. Give to your kids, and it's healthy too. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.